Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. And today is a sympathy card using Peaceful Moments and the Parisian Flourish 3D embossing folder. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. All the supplies I've used are in the description box below. Let's make a card. There you have it, a sympathy card, just using an embossing folder, simple die cut, plenty of room, plenty of room on the inside for your condolences. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.